Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Hepshan Abhijit Mulik. Today's date is 1st of November 2021 and today's our discussion topic is discussion about the array list. So before starting our today's discussion topic, firstly I will introduce myself. My name is Abhijit Dattatreya Mulik. I am from Kollam district Usmanabad. I had completed my graduation in mechanical engineering from J. Charaisuni College of Engineering and Management, Wagoli, Pune, and also completed my diploma in mechanical engineering from Sweris College of Engineering and Polytechnic, Pandharpur. That's all about me. So now we will discuss about our today's video topic, that is the array list. So firstly we will see what is an array list, or before that firstly we will see what is an list. Means list is used to store different types of elements, that is the different types of data types is used in the to store in the list. That's why the list is used, because if you talk about the array, then in the array we can store only and only the integer type of the data types, elements of the data types. That's why the list is used. In the list, it is again divided into two types, that is the first one is the array list and second one is the linked list. So we will see about today's topic, that is the array list. So before starting that topic, firstly I will give one real time example of that list, that is the array list. So if we talk about the student data in a college, at that time the roll number, student name, then student contact number, student address, all are present in a particular row, but the data contained between that particular column is different. Means there is roll number, that is the one is integer type, the name is in string data type, which is a non-primitive data type. Third one is the address, which is also one type of the string. That's why to store it we can use a list at that time. That's the use of that list is used in the Java. So now there is two types of the list, that is first one is the array list and second one is the linked list. If you talk about the array list is the one type of the dynamic in nature, means its size is not fixed. We can modify its size according to our use. Means if we want to increase its size, afterwards, after declaration of that list, we are able to increase it in the list, that is in the array list or in both the array list and the linked list. So if you talk about the array list is contain the array of the objects. Means in the particular that object the different data types element will be used. In the list, that is in the array list, we can't store the primitive data type elements like int, char, float, double, then boolean, like that, but we can use the wrapper class of that particular data type, that is the primitive data type, we can use in that list concept, that is the in array list. And we can use a non-primitive data type also at here, like strings, objects, etc. So now we will see about our today's topic, that is the array list. If you talk about it, the array list is best suitable for the elements increasing in dynamic nature. At that time the array list is used. So if you talk about the disadvantages of the array list, if we want to add or remove element from the middle of that array list, at that time it is a slow process than the linked list. Linked list is best suitable to add or remove element from the middle of the list. That's at that case the linked list is preferred. That's the main disadvantage of the array list. Means if array list is also modify that to add or remove that particular element between the middle of that array list, but it is a much slower process than the linked list. That's why the linked list is preferred at that time. So that's the disadvantage of that array list. So now we will talk about some of the features of that array list. Array list is a non-synchronized type, means it is not synchronized. Then array list is a dynamic in nature, means we can increase the size of that array list. Then the array list is non-synchronized type, and the elements are stored in the array list in the insertion order. Means if you insert a particular element, that goes to the last, then insert one element, then goes to the last. Means it is in sequential insertion order. That's why it is also one type of the feature of that array list. Then third feature is used in the array list are we can store the duplicate elements also in the array list, or the different data types elements also stored in the array list. That's the some of the features of that array list. That's all about that array list. uh, to store that array list, if you talk about the array list is obviously it is slower than the array, but the we can store the different data types elements in the array list. That's all about the array list. Also the array list is consider is contained some of the inbuilt methods to store the element, like contains, then add with index, then remove, then size is empty, then then clear, like that, or to remove. That's the sum of the methods are present in the array list. That's which are the inbuilt method in the array list. Also there is one point of that array list: the array list implement the list and the list extends the collection. That is the main important point of that array list. Means array list is one type of the class, and the list is one type of the interface. That's why array list implements that list interface, and that list interface is extend the collection. That's the main that's the main structure of that array list. That's all about the today's topic. Thank you.